Welcome to my house. Oh, don't you have a coat rack? Oh, no, I don't. So just put it right there. Hello again. This is much better. Looks nice. So, if you don't want to be that person without a coat rack, then this is the perfect video for you. Fortunately, the solution arrived today in the form of the Yoobure freestanding rolling coat rack. Straight out of the box, we have all of the parts, components, and tools that's used to assemble this. And of course, you have the instructions manual, and I highly suggest reading it to make sure you have all the parts, which are each individually labeled along with the specs and the sizing, along with the detailed steps. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you guys through it. Let's get started. Here's the finished product. Installation was easy. So what you're seeing is the walnut color. It looks vibrant, matches with my decor and my accents of the house. So the measurement of this is 70.3 inches in height, 15.8 inches in width, and a depth of 11.8 inches. Just the right size for an entryway. It comes with these 8 sturdy alternating hooks, and you have 2-tier shelf. You know what? Enough talk. Let's see what we can maximize using this. All right, let's see what we hung on this beautiful coat rack. So what you're seeing is the walnut wood is 100% FAS rubber wood construction, sturdy. We have a couple of jackets right here, crossbody bag, umbrellas. Oh, look at this beautiful rose bouquet, and a mermaid. And don't forget the rollable wheels, which are lockable. Okay, so you transport this easily. A jacket, more crossbody bags. Oh, my wife's going to absolutely fall in love with this. So if you're looking for the perfect entryway coat rack that's easy to install and very versatile and highly movable, definitely give the Yoobure brand a look. Your guests will be surprised. Or if you're smart like my wife, you can also hang clothes in the middle. I totally forgot about that.